Okay, Outlook Magic. Outlook Magic is from Software Dimensions, the developers of Hot Buttons, and they've created a link between TeleMagic and Outlook. The program lets you do several things. It lets you launch Outlook from any TeleMagic record by simply clicking on the TeleMagic email icon, or allows you to look up a TeleMagic address from TeleMagic with TeleMagic closed from Outlook itself. It allows you to send emails en masse with the use of any filtered criteria you create, and it also allows you to create Outlook forms or templates with merged data from your records in TeleMagic. So the implications are that yes, you could send out quotes in mass and merge data from that particular record with the name, address, and so forth. You can also create memo fields for both the incoming and outgoing mail in TeleMagic on your records, so that you can see the history of both incoming and outgoing messages. It looks like something like this. I've created a little sample here. Here's a page 2 on level 2 of a record. Here's a contact page, basic information, and I created an Outlook page. And there's a memo field for the outbound mail and the inbound email. So there's where we're going to keep a history. So I'm going to launch. What I'm going to do is I'm going to send out a filtered email. In this case, my filter only has 2 records, but here's what it would look like. First I'll click on New, and then I'm going to first collect my form. So I go to Form, choose Form. Now, this is a form I created in advance, and this particular form has, in this case, I've got all the merged fields in this template red, so you can see they are. There's the contact to contact record, there's the company name, address, city, state, zip, phone. And so this is the little message that we're going to send out here about inviting people to see a message or a demo for Outlook. Now, it defaulted an email address in this case. I'm going to change that and select a filter. And there's my filter. Now, I could just as easily look up a record this way. And in whatever index you set or criteria you set, in this case I used a company account number, and that way I could go to a specific record. Well, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to go ahead and use this filter. And there's the filter. In this case, it's going to find 2 records. It should, if it's working correctly. There they are. And I'm going to say yes to that. I'll let it send them out. It says they were sent. Okay, that's gone. Now I'm going to close this down. It says, do you want to save that? No. And I'm going to go over to TeleMagic. And you got to kind of go off the record, as you know, and come back in to refresh that. And I'm going to go down to my little Outlook page there. And there you'll see it. It's been stamped. That's the data. Now, in this example, what I've done is I've sent basically to myself. So instead of getting a reply to this message, I'm just going to get the actual email that I sent. But you'll see how when I go to the Outlook, I'm going to go to my Outlook here. That message should have been received by now. Let me see. I'll click Send Receive. And we should see. There it is. It just came in. A miracle of email here. So there's my email. There's what it looks like. You can see the fields that were merged. Now, if TeleMagic or Outlook Magic did its thing here, I should be able to go to that record, and it should already be stamped onto that page. And there it is. Later I'll show how to, I'll have a demo that shows how easy it is to set up those forms. So that's the end of this demo. If you have any questions, give me a call, go to our website, and I'll be happy to answer your questions for you, or do an online demo over the phone for you, where I'll let you watch me on my computer and we can go over any questions you might have. Thank you very much.